Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have admin or settings edit access, because otherwise changes won't save. Once confirmed, open the settings menu and go to additional settings. This is where advanced toggles live. You'll see grouped options like display, notifications, and privacy. Scan them to identify which group contains the behavior you want to change. Do this now, and keep an eye on current defaults, since knowing the baseline makes it easier to test and revert later. Once you've located the right group, adjust complex options methodically. Change one toggle or value at a time, then test the behavior so you can isolate effects. If there's a preview or save draft mode, use it to validate changes without affecting all users. For numeric settings, use provided increments like 0, 5 steps, or percentages, because fine adjustments often produce the best result. If dependencies appear, follow prompts. Make sure to note linked options so you can reproduce or undo changes easily. You finish by applying changes and verifying them in a live environment or a test account. Confirm both functionality and user experience. Once satisfied, document your final configuration with screenshots or an exported config so you have a rollback point. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Revert the most recent single change, clear caches and cookies, and check system logs for errors. If the issue persists, restore the documented snapshot and escalate with exact steps and screenshots to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.